How to add admin on Facebook page. For that, make sure that you have installed your Facebook application. Once you check that, launch your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into your Facebook page. Now simply go through the profile page of your Facebook page. Once you go there you will see dashboard option, tap on it. From here, scroll down a little bit. There you will see page access. Simply go through it. From here you can see people with Facebook access, and there is also option of add new one. Simply tap on add new and tap on next. From here, search a person to whom you want to add admin and hit on done. Once you select that person will have access to your Facebook page. In this way, you can easily add admin on Facebook page. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.